Welcome back to Adventure Repeats. Glad you're here. So today we're going to talk about spark arrestors. So if you're going to be running the trails in the forestry areas and things like that, you're going to want to have one of these because these help protect and catch all the sparks that if there's ever coming out of the exhaust, it doesn't accidentally light the forest on fire. So this is a very big thing to have, especially if you run around Silver Lake sand dunes, things like that. They do check for these. They'll actually stick your exhaust. And the problem with this one is it's rotted out. There is no more screen mesh left on this spark arrestor. So we're going to change ours out to put a new one on and show you the process of it and what parts fit on this 2018 Polaris RZR Turbo right here. So to start with, these are supposed to be bolted on from the bottom. This one rusted off, so there's nothing holding it in place. So sometimes you just need to take a hammer, tap it through the bottom to make sure that bolt stud comes back through as much as possible. Then we're going to take some pliers and work our way and get that out. Alright, see? No more mesh left in this one. New one goes in. You want to make sure that hole is down to the bottom to make sure it all lines up. Presses in there just like that. Nice and even. So now that hole lines up. We just put a new bolt in and we're good to go. This is technically a metric size. Quarter 20 is very, very close. So you're looking in your M5, M6 areas, but we're just going to put a bolt in there. It's going to keep it nice and tight and be good to go. So that's how easy it is to replace a spark arrestor on these Polaris RZRs. Super easy to do. You really need to have these and make sure they're in good working condition to make sure you don't have any forest fires and things like that. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description for this exact one so you know it fits. And hopefully you can like the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you want to hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming, a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. Remember to have a great adventure.